RBR, let's go.
What's up guys, good morning. Welcome to RBR Restoration. Today we have a C2 Corvette hardtop. We're gonna wet sand and get this thing going. Fire. Alright, today we're gonna start with 1000. It's gonna be cut very nicely. It's black, one of the hardest color to pretty much detail and wet sand. Like I said, we're gonna start with 1000 and we're gonna bring this one all the way to 5000 and then we're gonna polish it up and get it out of here. So, I'm gonna do one side. I'm gonna start with the left side. Completely get this one side cut with 1000 just to make sure everything is nice and level and straight. So now we're going to use a X pattern cut. So we cut it from the left and we're going to cut it to the right. You know, 1 2 1 2. Here we go again to the right. Now a lot of times this is going to happen to you. I'll call it going snowblind because as you see, it looks like a mess. You can't see anything, can't see where you are. So you got to clear and get my trusty guide coat. Thanks America. You can see where we are and what we're doing. This way we eliminate the over sanding because this thing only have about 2 to 3 coats on there and we don't want to sand too much off because we want to preserve this on the car for as long as we can. Alright, so here we go again. We're going to continue on this side with that wet sand and dance. Now if you look down in here, you can tell, you can see the peel. There's still a little peel right here. But this is the original area where we sand and you see clearing up right now. See that that's an even cut left, even cut right, done. And then we just continue moving on. So pretty much continuing the wet sand and dance, and that's how we're going to get a perfect finish. Okay, Jim.
Hey, how are you guys? We're starting another one. 1973 Camaro Z28. This is a big project, major work. Floors, need firewall. We're doing inner and outer rockers. We're doing a trunk floor. We're doing 2 new rails in the rear. It's just about the whole car. 2/4 left side door skin. We're going to tighten it up. We're going to start with the rockers and get the structure stable again. This one's going to be a nice one. All right.